I will share this with those who choose to. Find somewhere to relax. Think of your soul, your spirit, the energy force that runs your body. Ask from your soul to your higher spirit to your lower spirit, your inner spirit to your outer spirit, and all in between, to cast out of you anything that is not a part of you, should not be within you, and is not helping you, and you be protected from this. I do not mean pray, walk your life learning, light is light, dark is dark, so this might not be for everyone. Like I have written on my site, perhaps lighter dimension choose who they let in. Each to their own. Read this site for more. If this is of interest to you. Starts from the last recording, what you learn for you, perhaps is for you.